Hi everyone, I am Happy Zulu Full-Time Mama. If you know me from my childhood years, you would know me as Upindile or Mapindi, a name that was given to me by my great-grandmother. It has got such a beautiful story that my great-grandmother had a dream that my mom had given birth to a baby girl, and she passed on a few days before I was born, and she had asked that if it's really a girl, they must name me Pindile. So if you know me from my childhood years, you'd know me as Umapindi or Pindile. And if you know me from what high school years, then you'll know me as Unomvelo, another beautiful name that was given to me by my dad. Velo means mother of nature. And yeah, so, and if you know me from high school till like present, you'll know me as Unomvelo. Such a beautiful name, and I love it. So yeah, my name Indile Nomvelo Mangoma Rashabangu. I created this social platform just to discuss certain things and communicate, because I believe we can learn a lot from each other. And with me being here, I've learned quite a lot, and I thought, why not share all that I've learned, all the knowledge that I've gained since I've been here in Saudi Arabia. So I decided to create this page, and it's called Happy Zulu Full-Time Mama, because I am Zulu and I am on my journey to living a healthy lifestyle, and I'm a full-time mama. I am one of those blessed ladies that get a chance to be at home and spend time with their kids full-time. So that's my name, Happy Zulu Full-Time Mama. My very first YouTube channel is about these two right here, and I started the channel because of them. You know, they've been saying, Mom, why don't you start a YouTube channel? And they've been asking me to start a cooking YouTube channel. And you know, every time I cook, you know, and especially on the days where I am so tired, they will just say, oh Mom, the food is so nice, you know what, you should start a cooking show, a cooking YouTube channel. And you know, it's they just make me feel better, because on those days I'll be so tired and I'll be thinking this is the worst food ever. They are the best. And I'm gonna have these sessions, and I'll call them conversations with my beautiful daughters, raising my beautiful daughters. And these kids are so beautiful. When I say beautiful, I mean beautiful inside and out. I've managed to live this life, and I have managed to be there for them, because they make it so easy. They make it so easy to raise them. They, like this morning, my heart just melted. They called Asante because she woke up early today, and they know when she wakes up early that it means I don't get to do a lot when she wakes up very early. If she wakes up like just before they come back, I know I have done a lot of things. I have pushed a lot of things. So they call her, they're like, Asante, come here. And then she walks towards them like, baby, please promise to be good to mommy, and promise to really take good care of mommy while we're away at school. You know what, I wouldn't ask for anything better than this. There are hard days, there are difficult days where I'm like, oh my goodness, am I gonna go through this day with those 3 kids in front of me and all that I need to do? So yeah, they are a true blessing. Kids are a blessing, and I'm blessed. And so to kick off our my YouTube channel, conversations with my daughters, raising my beautiful daughters, I'll start with Valentine's Day. Today is Valentine's Day, and happy Valentine's Day to everyone who celebrate this day. So for many years, I've never really celebrated most of the special days, Valentine's Day, Christmas Day, Easter, because for me they didn't really make much sense, and I've never really taken time to research and really understand these days. Valentine's Day, I've always had this thought and feeling that why not celebrate love every day? I celebrate love every day. Why should it have this special one day where I get to show people that I love them? Why not show them every day? But with my kids growing up, I realized that I actually missed out on a lot of things. Didn't give it much thought and much time to do my research and understand what these days are about. So and I started realizing that I am instilling the same behaviors, the same beliefs to my kids, and my kids are growing in a different space, different times, and a different world. So somehow I have to really give them a chance to be themselves too. I have to make space. I have to make space to grow and learn. And I thought to myself, why not start now? So today, I am planning a special lunch for the girls, and for me, I believe that I can teach them and show that they know who they are. They know where we come. They must understand our traditions. They must understand how we do things. However, I must be flexible enough to understand that they also have got things that they are learning here, and things that they get taught in school, things that are especially because their way of learning is different from my way of learning. They are doing American curriculum. I did British, and I've realized that American is exposing them more to everyday life and what is happening today in the world. So why not be flexible too? So I'll start with Valentine's Day, a mini photo shoot I'll set up, and my setup is mainly based on things that I had in the house and I've collected and I'm reusing. Like I've mentioned in one of my posts on Instagram and Facebook, if you follow me, you would have seen that post on Creative Thursdays. So I've reused most of the things, but today is more especially about learning and understanding. I want them to understand that before you go and celebrate, or before you go and say it's Valentine's Day today, do you really know what it is? What is Valentine's Day? To go out there and research and understand it. If it doesn't work for my family, I need us to sit down as a family and recreate this Valentine's Day and make it work for our family. I'll be showing you what I'll be doing, my setup, and what I've gathered, and a little bit of how the girls think about Valentine's Day, their explanations. but most of what they're gonna be doing, they will share it on their YouTube channel, which is akhanikids. Please do follow them for your little ones. We've got lots of activities that are like fun, easy to do, but please note that most of them, I'm always there to supervise. So it's important that we have an adult or even a teenage brother or sister that will help. And yeah, welcome to my channel. Happy Zulu Full-Time Mama.
So cool, look at the hearts. How did you do this? Like, that looks the best. Watermelon heart. They're hard. Oh, I have some headbands. Let's try them on. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got it. I can't just, I'm speechless. I got it. It's jelly. Happy Valentine's Day. I can see through there. Oh my gosh. I love our thing. I'm so surprised. Hello. They look just mind-blowing. Mine is gonna...
Guess what? I've decided on starting YouTube channel, my YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Because you guys have been asking me for such a long
We
time.
make a cooking show. Make a cooking show, please.
Cooking show.
One day you're gonna be on MasterChef.
This year I decided, okay, let me do something. Because you guys, I know you understand it and you know about Valentine's Day earlier. So I need you to tell me what Valentine's Day is. What happens on Valentine's Day? Imani?
You spend time with your family, your dad, your mom, your uncle, your auntie, and your
Cousins.
and your cousin.
Okay.
And also you could spread love to the world. And also you can also spend time with your friends.
How do you spread love?
Spread love to the world is being kind, honest, and being honest means like tell the truth and what's happening.
Okay. Imani?
And you have to be thankful for everyone.
Oh, okay.
You have to be thankful that you were born and you have clothes and you have everything.
Wow.
And also laughter and cheer.
Thank you so much for joining. Thank you for following through the video. I appreciate you. Thank you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I've got lots more coming. And also, please comment and let me know what you would love for me to share with you. And thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this channel will grow to be a helpful, informative page. Also, please feel free to share your ideas too. Thank you. Love and light.